Gray parrot struts with muscle might, feathers glisten in the moon's pale light. The color of a snow leopard's dream in the treetops, it's a badass scream. Wings spread wide, a tattooed sky, birds around just stand and sigh. He's the king of the canopy bed, with biceps big and a fierce look ahead. Muscle bird parrot in the air, can't find another that compare. Snow leopard colors flashing bright, a wild beast in the night. Jungle whispers of his fame, tattooed feathers wild untamed. From the depths of the forest floor to the highest branches he will soar. Muscles rippling with each flight, a fearsome beast in pale moonlight. Echoes of his mighty call turn the jungle creatures raw. Predators run from his power, he's the sentinel of the higher tower. Snowy feathers sleek and tight, a one-bird army in full flight.
Great parrot struts with muscle might, feathers glisten in the moon's pale light. The color of a snow leopard's dream, in the treetops it's a badass scream. Wings spread wide, a tattooed sky, birds around just stand and sigh. He's the king of the canopy bed, with biceps big and a fierce look ahead. Muscle bird parrot in the air, can't find any other that compare. Snow leopard colors flashing bright, a wild beast in the night. Jungle whispers of his fame, tattooed feathers wild untamed. From the depths of the forest floor to the highest branches he will soar. Muscles rippling with each flight, fearsome beast in pale moonlight. Echoes of his mighty call turn the jungle creatures raw. Predators run from his power, he's the sentinel of the higher tower. Snowy feathers sleek and tight, a one-bird army in full flight.
Gray parrot with huge muscles flex in the jungle where he's so perplexed. Snow leopard's color on his feathers bold, a story of legends in the wild, untold. He's prowling high on the canopy tall, muscular bird who's got it all. Whistles out tunes that shake the ground, in this wild world where such heroes are found. Strong gray bird with a leopard's flair, flexes wings and takes to the air. Gray parrot muscles gleaming so bright, in the jungle's wild mesmerizing light. In the morning light he winks an eye, all the creatures pause as he flies by. Snowy spots on gray so rare, in this curious world where all stop and stare. Rippling muscles flaunting pride, in the jungle he won't hide.
wild. Color of the snow leopard, he's so grand. Talks to everybody, his claws command. He flies through the sky like a thunderous roar. Feathers gleam in the sunlight, people want more. He's got the jungle beat under his wing. Silver and black beauty, hear him sing. Gray parrot, muscle bound, sky ruler, world renowned. Snow leopard, got nothing on you. Fly high, break on through. Night falls, his shadows zoom. In the moonlight, watch the feathers bloom. Graceful as a leopard, hunting through the sky. No one can resist that sparkling eye. Soaring through the heavens like a king. Mighty gray parrot, hear the jungle sing. Colors flash as you spread your wings. Echo of the legend in everything. Gray parrot, muscle bound, sky ruler, world renowned. Snow leopards, got nothing on you. Fly high, break on through. Night falls, he's a shadow zoom. In the moonlight, watch the feathers bloom. Graceful as a leopard, hunting through the sky. No one can resist that sparkling eye. Soaring through the heavens like a king. Mighty gray parrot, hear the jungle sing. Colors flash as you spread your wings. Echo of the legend in everything. Gray parrot, muscle bound, sky ruler, world renowned. Snow leopards, got nothing on you. Fly high, break on through. Gray parrot with huge muscles, flies with flex and does some hustles. Feathers cool like snow leopard, fur bold and brawny bird that's sure. Takes a perch and starts to pose, glistening feathers from head to toes. Whispers secrets in the trees, squawks out rhythms with the breeze. Oh, parrot, strong and sleek and cool. In the jungle, you're the jewel. With colors mixed like day and night, you're a marvel taking flight. Struts around with birdly pride, every flex of power glide. Jungle creatures stop and stare at those muscles strong and rare. Oh, parrot, strong and sleek and cool. In the jungle, you're the jewel. With colors mixed like day and night, you're a marvel taking flight. Struts around with birdly pride, every flex of power glide. Jungle creatures stop and stare at those muscles strong and rare. Oh, parrot, strong and sleek and cool. In the jungle, you're the jewel. With colors mixed like day and night, you're a marvel taking flight. From dawn to dusk, you soar so free. Your beauty's wild like the roaring sea. Gray as dusk and snowy white, you own the skies, you own the night.
Gray parrot flying high and free, muscles bulging just like Hercules. Color of a snow leopard, fierce and shining, a marvel in the jungle rewinding. Feathers blend in the snowy haze, strong like a beast through a wooded maze. We're still in tunes under skies so high. These birds got the might to touch the sky. Oh, the parrot of the wonderlands, flexing wings and showing hands. A sight to see in the deep green sands. Unrivaled strength the forest stands. Fly through trees with a muscle's grace. Every flap a powerful chase. No predator dare face this glare. For gray parrot rules the air. Patterns of snow on silver wings. muscle beauty, wild and free, the mightiest bird in history.